All right, so this video is the mood board video. We are building a mood board that's going to help us design throughout the whole semester. It's going to be a collection of images that are going to inspire you, but also connect the different projects that you're going to do and kind of show me your interests and probably show yourself what your interests are, even if you don't feel like you have a clear style yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to be collecting six different things, images, examples. So there's six different things, and you're going to collect five of each. You're doing this all on the computer. You're getting it all off the internet. You are collecting from other designers, and that's completely fair. So you're going to be collecting six different things: logos, word marks, monograms, palettes or color palettes, photos, and poster. Now, some of these things you might not know what they are. I will explain it. So, the first thing you're going to collect, and it's probably the simplest thing, are logos. You could put logos, search engine. For the love of God, do not use Bing. And so, you want to look up logos. Now, here's the thing, the second thing you're going to look up is word marks. And what I want you to know is that a logo is a symbol that is image based. So if we look up this image right here, these are all logos, right? Even though there's words on these two, this is considered the logo because it's part of an image, right? They made it into like a building, and this is the roof on the Pizza Huts, right? This is all image. Now, if you start going into here and you see Visa and Google, these are called word marks. So this is where it really is just a word, and they get a little creative by the design of the word, right? Now, is there any logo that could be both? This close. This CNN, some might say it's a word mark, some might say it's a logo because you really don't always see the letters. You could kind of see that it looks like an image. But this is where you're going to have to make your choice. So you're going to pick five logos. So the WB here is a logo. And then you're going to save five word marks. There's another video that shows you how to download the images. I made it separate so that you don't have to watch this whole video to learn it every single time. So if you forget, you could replay the video. It's much shorter. All right, so you're going to do five logos, five word marks. You cannot pick one image and say, I have my five logos. Nope, they have to be separate. The five word marks. Now, here's the thing. Make sure you name them. And once again, the video on how to download them will tell you how to save them so that you don't lose them. Now, so that covers logos and then word marks. The next thing would be monograms. Now, monograms are also logos, but they're a little bit different. Kind of old fashioned. They were used a long time ago as logos. Now they're mainly used, only older brands that like to be very traditional have logos. Obviously, fashion houses use it a lot. It's rare to see monograms anymore. HP, I think of, but they're very traditional. But monograms are all about typography and combining initials of the name. We're going to be doing monograms at some point. So I want you to find five monograms that are interesting and definitely do a deep dive. The beginning, it's all traditional. It's all the obvious ones. So definitely go farther down and you find some cooler stuff, some more interesting stuff, more modern stuff. And if you can't tell what letters they are, that is okay. If you just like the way it looks, take it. You don't have to understand what it is. We're going to play around with creating a monogram. That's actually the first project. So you want to download five things that are interesting to you. Please, once again, just like the logos, don't pick something because you like Chanel. If you don't like the logo, don't pick it. If you like the design of the logo, then pick it. Okay, the next thing on the list is color palettes. Now, for color palettes, you're going to have to go to a specific website. And it's coolors.com. And I know that sounds weird, but it's COOLORS dot, and it's not .com, sorry, it's .co. And once again, you could play this video and pause it, and that's why I do these videos. Now, when you get to the main page, you want to go up to Tools and Explore Palettes. This will have palettes already pre-mixed for you, and they have an infinite amount of palettes. So I want you to pick colors that are interesting to you, the combination. Now, do you have to say, okay, I would use every single color? No, you could pick the 3 if you want, but you pick this palette because you like these 3 together. Please don't pick monochromatic palettes. Monochromatic means that it's basically different shades of the same color. I understand that that's a possible choice in the future. For now, I want you to learn how to mix colors. I want you to learn how to combine colors. I would accept something like this, that it's 2 colors and there's a little bit monochromatic, because these are these mixed colors. So you got different shades, but it's from 2 colors. Just not a single color and a mix. So pick the color you like. Let's say I like this one, very simple, but has a little bit of everything. I'm going to go to these 3 dots right here, and I'm going to export the palette. Now, I don't want a link. I want an image. So I'm going to select image. I'm going to call it, put my initials, like I said in the saving video, palette. And then that's it. I'm going to export it. And you're going to see a little bubble go up. It went straight to your downloads. If you want to open it, if you want to save it in the right place, which you should, here it is. This is the palette that I saved. I already created a folder on my desktop, so I'm going to move it. So I'm going to move it to my desktop. I'm going to hover over desktop and drop it in my desktop for now. Now I do have, here's my mood board right here, WS mood board. I could take that screenshot and, I could take that palette and move it onto my mood board. So now when I open up my mood board, there's the logo I was saving, and there's my palette. And you just keep saving it. You keep going through your palettes, click,